Welcome traders, Patrick with Trading123.net. Here we are trading on Thursday, March 8th, 2025. And the hockey playoffs are here. I'll be watching some hockey tonight. So the Red Wings aren't in it again. So I'll still be watching the games. So here we are, our first trade of the day. This is in the NQ. And there was some news. You gotta always pay attention to the news. News that Trump was gonna, make some major announcements at 10 o'clock. So you gotta be aware of that. And this is our first trade. And bot caught a nice downtrend. 1, 2, 3, and we're up $635 on our first trade. On the day, we did 7 trades for $4,500, and we were done trading by 11 o'clock or so. Could have made more, but that's enough for me. Here's our second trade. This one is on the NQ also. Shortly after that last trade, we restarted the bot, and pretty much the same thing. News coming out at 10 with Trump. Market's a little nervous. Down we go. We ride the waves down, and 620 profit. Then we did do a couple trades with the ES today. This one here, for 300 just after 10 o'clock. Trump expecting to come on, market gets nervous, down we go, and we got $300 profit, and we'll take it. And then this was a trade before that other one was around 10 o'clock. This one here is right around 9:43 or so. And basically, when our cloud indicator gets tight lines like this, that means there's a big move coming. And price got below it, bot got short, 2 targets. First target hit nicely, second one we hit our goal. We were only going for 500 today, and the goal is hit, and on to the next trade. So as I said before, I'm trading off 4 monitors. So I got the ES on one with my fibs, and NQ on the other with the fibs and some of the other stuff that I use. Another good one is our AI range boxes. If you want to check that indicator out, damn powerful. And yesterday was the Fed day, Fed news in the afternoon, and I just didn't feel like trading, so there was no trades, no videos, so I didn't have a losing day. I just decided to take it easy for once and not do anything but my honeydew list. And here's why I use the fib indicator, because you got these levels here that plot. As you see, you got your 38, 50, and 61.8. Those are your main levels. Price loses it, goes down to the next. It gets a bounce off that, it's going to fail, and down to the next we go. So it's a good gauge as to where the market is going and support and resistance levels. And sometimes I do a scalp trade where I'll trade 2 or 3 contracts for 20 ticks or so with an ATM and target the next fib. And this one is exactly what happened here. Went right to that fib area in the NQ, over a grand profit on those 3 contracts in a couple, probably a minute and a half. And back to trading with the AlgoBot. Here we go. Our next trade here in the NQ for $657, riding the waves. Basically, I started the bot here and I missed this up move, so I pressed the button to get long, got a little bit of profit. Then I went short, and then another long, and then another short. Up and down moves, 657 profit. So we got 2 more trades left. The next one's our biggest one of the day, where we got over $700 in profits on the NQ. So let's look at that. And another trade where I started the bot and it was already in a downtrend, so I had FOMO, so I went short with the buttons here. Got some profits. Then the bot took over here, got short. I raised the goal to 840 because we're going into the, the 11 o'clock power hour time frame, and I typically do that, after 10:30. And then here's the last trade in the ES here. And same profit goal, 500. Up we go, down we go, 2 contracts, goal hit. Bot does all the work for you. Just sit there and watch it do its thing. And then this is our AI range box here on the NQ. As you can see, it identifies the range. It recalculates on an hourly basis throughout the day. And you can see this is the midline, the top of the range, bottom of the range. So it held support here, and then it broke out right here and made a nice run. So that's how the AI range box works. And the same thing happened on the ES. So here's the ES. You want precise entries. You get right here at 56.67. Up we go. It goes up 13 points from that entry. So very powerful and accurate indicator. Does it repaint? No, the box stays this color, and the levels are etched in stone for the whole hour till the market recalculates. It analyzes weeks of data, open, high, low, close, previous day's info, weekly highs and lows, and calculates it all in an AI formula to plot those levels on the chart, and it's damn accurate. And then this is our last trade of the day for $592. We called it a day right here. Market breaks out here in the power hour and continues to the highs. Trump rally, Trump news got the market rallying. And then this is that fib trade once again where I made over $1,000 right to the 50% fib level. They're drawn automatically and very accurate. So that's today's trades on the ES and NQ. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Gonna go watch some hockey and call it a day. We'll see you in the next video.